how to track your orders on TEMU. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can track orders on TEMU. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch your TEMU application and make sure to log into your account. Once logged in, tap on New icon from the menu bar at the bottom of the interface. Now, to view all your orders or to track your orders, tap on your order space. Now, under this space, you can track all your orders that is being processed by tapping on the processing. In this space, you will find the orders that is being processing. Or if you like to view the shipped product, then tap on shipped, and in this space, you can find all your product that is already shipped. In case if you're not able to find your product, tap on self-service to find order. Now, you can use your phone number or your email address, your order ID or payment information to find and track your order. So that's how you can track your orders on TEMU, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.